Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook turkey tails. First, it's crucial to prepare them properly. Start by giving your turkey tails a thorough rinse under cold, running water to remove any impurities. Then, carefully trim away any large pieces of excess fat or any remaining pin feathers. This step ensures a cleaner, more enjoyable eating experience. Finally, pat them completely dry with paper towels. This helps seasonings adhere better and promotes crispier skin later on. This initial preparation is key for delicious results. Once your turkey tails are clean and dry, it's time to infuse them with flavor. A basic seasoning blend of salt, freshly ground black pepper, and garlic powder is a fantastic starting point. For a richer, more complex taste, you might also consider incorporating smoked paprika or onion powder. After seasoning, let them marinate for at least 30 minutes at room temperature. However, for the most profound flavors, I highly recommend marinating them overnight in your refrigerator. This allows the spices to truly penetrate the meat. Now for the cooking, you have two excellent options, braising or roasting. Braising is perfect for achieving incredibly tender, fall-off-the-bone results. Simply simmer them in a flavorful liquid, like chicken broth, for about 2 to 3 hours until they are fork tender. If you prefer crispy skin, roasting is your go-to. Roast them at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 1 hour and 15 minutes, flipping halfway. For braised tails, a quick finish under the broiler adds a beautiful golden brown crust. Once your turkey tails are cooked to perfection, it's time to enjoy them. They are incredibly versatile and pair well with many side dishes. Consider serving them alongside creamy mashed potatoes, fluffy white rice, or hearty collard greens. Roasted root vegetables also make an excellent accompaniment. Don't forget to drizzle them with a rich pan sauce made from any braising liquid. A sprinkle of fresh parsley or cilantro adds a lovely pop of color and freshness. Enjoy this delicious and often underrated cut of poultry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.